So everybody open the page number
Yes,
41.
open
Those
page
who join the class
41.
right now, I am telling for them that we are start doing the page number 41. On the page number 41, there is a first question written. The question is saying that which letter, which letter keys, which letter keys will you press to type computer? Okay, there is a picture of a keyboard. There is a picture of keyboard and you have to type. You have to type a word. What is the word? The word is computer. It's COMPUTER. Okay, so you have to type it from this. So what you have to do? You have to color these letters. Which letters? COMPUTER. You have to make them red from here. See, COMPUTER. It's a spelling of computer. Okay, let me make it prominent for you so that you will see where are the letters. So we have C, then we have O, and then we have it's COM and then U. I am coloring it. You can also color it in your book. COMPU, and then we have T, then we have E, and then we have R. Okay. So in this, we colored them red. Why we colored them red? Because it is written over there. Color them red. Which letter key will you press to type computer? You press these keys. So we color them red. Everybody, every student should color them in a red color on the page number 41. 4 and 1. Okay. So when you done with this coloring, so everybody is doing the coloring. Everybody of you coloring the word.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
I
So,
do it.
oh, that's great. That's great, Abdul Rahman.
Sir, wait.
On the page number 41, I write the page number here. See, open page number 41. Page number 41. Those students who joined the class right now, they can open the page number 41. And we are doing this question on the page number 41. Okay, those students who joined the class right now, for them, I am repeating the question again. Everybody open the page number 41, and on the page number 41, there is a question. Which letter keys on this keyboard will you press to type word computer? You press C O M P U T R. So you have to color them in a red color. So we color them right now in a red color here. We colored C, we colored O, M, P, U, T, E, R. So in this manner, we colored the spelling of computer. Why we color them red? Because it is written over here. We have to color them red. Okay. So what we have else after this, there is one more thing. The other thing is that which number keys will you press? So we know where are the numbers. Here are the numbers: one, two, three,
Born
four,
in the year
five,
2000.
six,
Wèrè tí mo ní kó ṣọ ẹnu fún ẹ.
seven.
Ó rí ìsẹ̀nu ọmọdé yìí.
Then we have
Orí ẹ̀ ò pé
the
gbogbo tún pèsè kan ló wà lẹ́nu.
okay. So we have one, two, three, four, five, six,
Three.
seven, eight, 9, and then we have 0. Okay, so there are the numbers. So which number keys will you press to type the year you were born in. So you have to type the year, in which year you born. For example, I'm just giving the example. For example, you born in year 2013. So you write 201 and 3. So your year would be 2013. For example, you were born in 2012. So you write 2, 1, 0, 1 and 2. So first you just have to write your year. Okay. And then what you have to do? What you have to color these numbers. What numbers? For example, 2012. Okay. For example, you born in 2014. 2014. Okay, so this is the year you were born. So you have to color these numbers. You have to color these numbers 2, 0, 1, and 4. So where is the 2, 0, 1, and 4? Okay, you can color your year. Okay, what's your year? You can color those. Okay, so for example, I write 2014. Then we just have to color them. Color the two. In which color we have to color them? We have to color them in a blue color. Color them a blue. We have to color these numbers. The numbers, the year in which we born. Okay, so we have to color those numbers. So now we are going to color those numbers in a blue color. Okay, let me select the color. Now we have 2. Then we have 0. Okay. And then we have 1. And then we have the 4. So I make these numbers in a blue color. In this manner, we are done coloring the year in which the person born. So the year in which you born. Okay, so you have to color those numbers. You born in year 2015, so you can color 2015. If you born in 2014, you can color 2014. If you born in 2013, so you can color these. If you born in 2012, so you have to color only three numbers, because 2012. So you color 2, you color 0, you color 1. Okay, so in this manner, you have to color the number of the year in which you born. So everybody understand this thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes,
okay, that's
Yes,
fine.
sir. Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
everybody color this number. Everybody color this number. The computer word. Everybody colored the
Yes, sir.
letters. These letters. C O M. Everybody done it.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
everybody colored the year they were born.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So let me take a picture of this, so that I will upload this picture on class era after this class. Okay. Okay. Now let me clear this screen so that we will move to the next page. I am asking that everybody is done. Everybody of you is done.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now. Okay. Now we are moving to the next page. The next page is the page number 42. The next page is page number 42. Okay. My first thing, I want to ask you one thing. Everybody is listening me clearly?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now on the page number 42, we are going to start page number 42. On the page number 42, what we have? On the page number 42, the first line of the page is saying that the keyboard has special keys. We know very well that keyboard has keys. That's why the name of key is there. Okay, so the keyboard has special keys. There are so many keys. We see two keys yesterday. What two keys were? The one key is letter and the other key is number keys. So we see two keys. Let me show you those keys in the previous class, in on the previous page. In the previous class we see this one. Okay, on the page 41 there is a picture of keyboard. So if you see, we see these keys: Q, W, E, R, T, Y. All these keys, the alphabets, are the letters, and these are the numbers. These are the numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 0. So these are the numbers. We see these two keys. Now we are seeing the special keys. What are special keys? But first we see the second line. The second line is saying that the first line is saying that a keyboard has a special keys, and the special keys tell the computer what to do. These special keys tell the computer what to do. They define that what computer has to do, what computer have to do. Okay, so where are the special keys? Okay, let's see some keys here and then we will see the picture on the page 41. Okay, so before going on this, what is the spelling of keyboard? You can see here. Just see and read the spelling of keyboard. Everybody just read the spelling of keyboard once.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir.
Okay.
U Y B O A R
Okay.
D.
Okay. Okay. That's good.
KEY keyboard.
Okay. That's good. That's so nice of you. So the spelling of keyboard, it's KEYBOARD. Okay. So keyboard is used for typing. We type from keyboard. We write from keyboard. Okay. So keyboard has some special keys. What does those special keys do? These special keys tell the computer what to do. These special keys defines or tell the computer what to do. Okay, so we use the enter key. We use the enter key. So there is a key. The name of the key is enter. We use the enter key to enter data into the computer. What is the data? Data is letter, number, the name we are typing, the picture we are saving. All these things are the data. So we use keyboard, oh sorry, we use the enter key on the keyboard to enter data into the computer. So let's see where is the enter key on the page number 41. If you see the picture on the page number 41, that where is the enter? So here it is. We have this enter key. We have this enter key. Okay, if you notice one more thing, there are two enter keys available. There are two enter keys available on the keyboard. See, the first key is there. This one, it's a enter key. And if you notice on the right hand side, there is one more key. Here, the enter key. Again, we have two keys. The enter key, the first one is here. Okay. And the other one is on the right hand side. It's enter. So there are how many keys of computer? How many keys of enter are there? Yes. How many keys of enter are there? One, two, or three?
Two.
Two. enter keys are there.
Two.
Two enter keys are there. That's good. That's good. So there are two enter keys. Okay, that's good. So there are two enter keys on the keyboard. If someone say you that there are three enter keys, it's false. If someone say there is one enter key on the keyboard, it's false. There are two enter keys on the keyboard. There are two enter keys on the keyboard. Okay. So we see the enter key. Why we use enter key? We use enter key to enter data. We use enter key to enter data. Where we are entering data? We are entering data in computer. So we use enter key for entering data. So in the previous class, in the yesterday's class, we see two things that we can use keyboard to type letters. Okay. And we also see yesterday that we can use keyboard to type numbers. Now, today we are seeing that we have some special keys. Okay. So these special keys are used with keyboard, and these special keys do what? These special keys tells the computer what to do. Okay. So the first key we see, the first key we see in the special keys is enter. Okay. So the first key we see is the enter. Okay. Then enter key. Then what does enter key do? Enter key is used to data enter data in the computer. As the name of key is saying that it is used to enter. It is used
لما تكتب
to
مثلا
enter.
كمبيوتر
Enter name is showing that it is used to enter. Okay, let me erase the arrows and then we again go to the next page. So the third line of the page is saying that we use the enter key to enter data into the computer. In data, all the things, letters, numbers, special keys, all the keys are included in the data. So now we are at the fourth line. The backspace, the backspace key allow, the backspace key allows us to erase data. Erase means to cancel, to delete, to cancel or to delete or to erase data by using which key? We can erase our data, remove our data or delete our data by using which key? By using backspace key. Backspace key is used to erase data, or it allows us to erase data. For example, I am typing the name of the key here. Okay, if you see on my screen, I am typing the name. For example, I type this spelling. This is a correct spelling. But let's assume that we write the wrong spelling like this. Okay, so for space, I am writing P. Instead of P, I write I. So what I have to do? I have to type back space. I have to type P. But if I type P, then the spelling would be wrong. So I have to erase the I. From where I have to erase, I press the back space. As name shows that it's a back space. It will go back and make a space. See, when I press backspace, it go back and make a space and erase the last letter. Okay, so let's see where is the backspace key. Where is the backspace key? The backspace key, we are now again on the page 41. The backspace key is there. As the name is written over the key, it's a backspace, it's a big key, okay, and it has also the arrow on the left hand side. It has an arrow display the left direction. Why there is a left direction? Because whenever you are typing, when you erase, it will go back. It will go back. That's why there is a back in its name. It will go back and erase the word and make a space. That's why the name of this key is backspace. Okay, so let me write the name of the key here. It's a backspace. Okay, so now what we have, let me raise
See.
the arrow.
Backspace key is eraser.
Yes, it's a eraser. It erase the data. It's erase the data. Okay, so
Yes.
Yes.
now the fourth line, we are repeating it again. The backspace key allows us to erase data. Okay, so what does enter key do? Enter key is used to enter data into the computer. Backspace key used to erase data. So we see two keys. We see two keys. What those two keys are? The first one we see is the enter key. The second one we see is the backspace key. The enter key is used to enter data. The backspace key is used to enter his data. Okay. Sorry, enter key is used to enter data in the computer and backspace key is used to erase data. Okay. So now we are going to the next line and we are seeing the third thing. Okay. Remember one thing. We done these two in the yesterday's class. In this class, we just see two keys, enter and backspace. Enter and backspace. Okay, so we just see two keys, enter and backspace. Okay, now what we have, we see the key. We see the key, the special key. Now we are seeing the next key. Now we are seeing the next key. What key we have? It's a space bar. Where is the space bar? Let's see on the page number 41 again. On the previous page, if we go, so there is a page 41 and here it is, the space bar, the symbol of identifying the space bar is that the space bar is the biggest key of the keyboard. Space bar is the biggest key of the keyboard. So when you see the keyboard, you see the biggest key. The biggest key is obviously the key space bar. Okay, the biggest key of the keyboard is space bar. Okay, so now the space bar, as name shows, why it is taking so much space. It is taking so much space. Okay, so the name of this thing is the space bar. What does space bar do? Can anyone knows it? What does space bar do? I will tell, but I'm just asking to you. Anyone knows?
Make
What does?
space to word.
Okay, that's good. That's good. It give space to words. Okay. So let's take an example. For example, I am typing. If you see my screen, I am typing my school. I am typing my school
Bye bye.
name
Bye,
is.
sir.
Hi. Okay. So my
Goodbye.
school name is.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning. My school name is UIS. If you see, there is no space. There is no space in the word. There is no space. If I write it like this, my school name is UIS. So now it is not understandable. But if I write it with the space, if I write this thing with the space, it will look understandable. How? I write my and then I give space, then I write
Yes.
school, and then I give again
You right.
space
Space.
and write name, again space,
Mm.
then
Space.
is, and
S.
then again space, then
Space. U.
UIS. So if you see, if you see in this, I press the space bar. How many times? One, two, three, and
Four.
four. So I press the space bar for four times. Why? Because I want to give space. If I not give space, the name would be look like this. The sentence would be look like this, and it's not look good. So that's why space is necessary to make the sentence clear. The space bar is the longest key on the keyboard. It
Yeah,
is the
right.
longest
Express
key on
Abdul
the
Malik.
keyboard. Space bar is the
Prince Abdul
longest
Malik.
key on the keyboard. Space bar is the longest key on the keyboard. It inserts, it give, or it enter a space. The word inserts means enter or give. Okay, so it enter. Space bar enter or insert a space between two words. It insert a space between two words. When we press space bar, it will give some space. That's why the name of that thing is a space. So where is the bar? Why do we call it a bar? Because it is very long. Okay, this key is long. That's because of its longness. The the name of the key become the bar. It's a space bar. A bar which you press and it will provide the space. So we see just three keys: enter, backspace, and the space bar and the space bar. Okay, so we see these three keys. Okay, if I ask you this thing, that what does enter do? So you have to tell enter is used to do what? Enter is used to enter
Enter
data.
data.
Good. That it's very easy. Enter is used to enter data. Enter is
Enter
used
data.
to enter data. Where
Backspace
we
for
are
what?
entering data? Where we are entering data?
Backspace for what?
Enter key. Enter key is used for what? Enter key is used for enter data in the computer. Okay. Enter key is used to enter data in the computer. Okay. Now, the second key we see, it's a backspace. Backspace. Backspace key is used or allow us to erase data.
Erase
Remove
data.
data. When we type something wrong or there's a mistake in the word,
Remove
we can,
data. Backspace is
can
erase
erase it. Good.
data.
Okay. So we can erase the data. So backspace provide us a ability to erase data. Okay. So the spelling of backspace is very easy. It's like BACK, back, and then we have mark, then we have space. It's SPACE. SPACE. It's a back space. So spelling of enter key is easy. It's ENTER. ENTER. So then we have a back space. It's BACK, back, and then we have space SPACE. Then we have a space bar. The spelling of space bar is very easy. How? Because you know the spelling of backspace. So you use the word space in the space bar. It's SPACE, and the bar is very much easy. BAR. Okay. For example, if someone say you that space bar is a small key on the keyboard. It's false. Okay. If someone say enter key is the longest key on keyboard, it's false. Which one is the longest key on the keyboard? Which one is the longest?
Space key.
Which
Space
key is the longest
key.
key?
Space
Space bar key.
key.
Space bar.
Space bar.
Space bar key is the longest
Space
key.
bar. Space bar.
Space bar key is
Space
the
bar.
longest
Space
key
bar.
on the keyboard. Okay. Good. So space bar key, you all are right. So space bar key is the key which is the longest key on the keyboard. It is the longest key on the keyboard. Okay. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay. So now,
Space bar.
okay.
Bar.
So now everybody, okay.
Space
Everybody
bar.
listen it. Now, what we have, a space bar is used to insert a space between two words. It's used to insert or enter a space between two words. So we see the three keys, and these three keys are enter, backspace, and space bar. Enter, backspace, and space bar. Okay. So we have these keys: enter, backspace, and space bar. Now, what you have to do on the page number 41? On the page number 41, you color the word computer on the page 41 on the keyboard. Okay. And then you also color the numbers of the year in which you born. So what you have to do, you just have to take a picture of that page and you have to send that picture on my mail in the class light. You have to send the picture of the page number 41, 4 and 1, and you have to send that picture on the mail in my class light. Okay. So everybody understand this thing?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so right now the time is finished for the period and the assignment is waiting for you in the class light. We will meet in the next class, inshallah. Bye, everyone.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Bye.